The US police have firmly refuted circulating reports suggesting the death of Goldie Brar, the alleged mastermind behind the murder of singer Sidhu Moosewala, in a recent shooting incident in California. According to authorities, the incident unfolded on Fairmont and Holt Avenue in Fresno, California, yesterday, resulting in the shooting of two individuals following an altercation. Tragically, one of the victims succumbed to injuries in the hospital, said officials. Following the incident, widespread speculation on social media surfaced, suggesting the deceased to be Goldie Brar, a gangster based in Canada. Responding to the escalating rumors, the Fresno Police Department swiftly addressed the situation, dismissing the assertions as untrue. Lieutenant William J. Dooley, in a statement to the news agency INS, clarified, "If you are inquiring because of the online chatter claiming that the shooting victim is Goldie Brar, we can confirm that this is absolutely not true." Labeling the reports as misinformation, the lieutenant highlighted the global attention garnered by the erroneous claims, stating, "We have received inquiries from around the world this morning as a result of misinformation being spread on social media and online news agencies." He further added, "We are not sure who started this rumor, but it caught on and spread like wildfire. But again, it isn't true. The victim is definitely not Goldie." According to some local reports, the man killed in the incident has now been identified as 37-year-old Xavier Goldney. Who is Goldie Brar? Goldie Brar, a key suspect in the murder investigation of Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala, has long been associated with the shadowy realms of gang conflicts. Brar, born in 1994, hailed from a family with a police background but opted for a divergent path, attaining a BA degree while operating from Canada, particularly in Punjab. His alleged involvement in Moosewala's murder traces back to his alleged involvement in the crime, initially attributed to the Lawrence gang before Brar's admission. Sidhu Moosewala, renowned for fusing traditional Punjabi folk music with contemporary hip-hop, tragically met his end in May 2022 as a victim of gruesome violence. Initially, the Lawrence Bishnoi gang claimed responsibility for Moosewala's murder. However, Brar later confessed to the crime during a televised confession, citing Moosewala's alleged role in the murder of Lawrence associate, Vicky Midhukhera, pushed him to commit the crime. Last year, Brar confessed to targeting Bollywood superstar Salman Khan next, stating that there's no doubt about the fact that Salman is their next target and that they will continue their attempts against all their enemies as long as they're alive.